welcome back to my channel, to my subscribers. And if you are new, hey, my name is Kalisha. Just starting up my YouTube channel. I'm also the owner of a business called Kairos Kollection, which sells hair like this and lashes like these. If you like this hair and if you like these lashes, then the link is in my description box. Without further ado, this video will be a tutorial on how I make my frontal wigs, such as this one. This is a wig that I made for myself a few months ago and it's still holding up pretty well. The wig that I made in this video was for one of my customers and I had already gave it to her, so I don't have it to show you guys right now at this moment. But yeah, if you want to know how to make a frontal wig, then keep watching this video. But actually, first, before you watch this video, go back and watch my the video that I uploaded. I think it's titled like how to customize a wig or how to customize a frontal, something like that. But yeah, watch that video. That'll show you how to bleach the knots and customize the hairline, so that way you'll be up to speed for this video, because in this one I start after the I start right when you're putting on the frontal. I didn't show you guys how to bleach the knots or pluck or anything like that. So if you're just completely new to making wigs, go ahead and watch that video and then come back to this one. But yeah, so I'm kind of talking a lot, so I'm just gonna let the video play. I hope you enjoy, and if you do like it, please subscribe, please like this video, share it to your friends, comment, and if you don't like this video, still subscribe, like, share to your friends. I'm just playing. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just getting on to the video. Okay, so I just want to start off by showing you guys the type of needle that I prefer. So you see this longer one, that's the type that I don't like, just because once you're like getting to the end of the thread, you have to like cut it off earlier because it's so long, because you can't really wrap it around. But this one is much better because it's smaller and it's kind of more curvy. So like when you're at the end of the thread, you can use more of it because you can, like, it's shorter, so you can like flip it more. That's kind of hard to explain, but just like see the difference, and that's how you guys will know like which one to use. I use both of them, but the smaller one is better in my opinion. So now I'm just trying to show y'all how to thread a needle, in case you don't know. I'm so sorry I'm out of the camera right now, but so when threading the needle, you want to pull it out to your arm's length. That'll just make it easier and faster for you, but I'm lazy. Like I always make my needles like OD long for no reason, but that can cause tangles, as you will see later in this video. So if you're just starting out, definitely make sure you're only making it arm's length. So next you want to make like 3 to 4 knots and just do it like so. It's kind of hard to explain, so you kind of just gotta watch how I'm doing the knot. Okay, so this is the like how big you want it to be, I guess, and you're just gonna cut off that extra string that was at the end. So now when putting on your frontal, you're gonna wanna pin it down in the front how I did, and then just pull it back. You know, like, you know, just make sure it's like flat. So like pull it straight back, and then when you're doing the sides, just do it like straight to the side. Don't push it back, don't push it forward. Just make sure it's going straight across to the side, and just pin it down. So now we're gonna have 3 pins, and then you guys will also see me put in another 2 pins. Okay, so just to make it extra flat, we're gonna pull the frontal back just a little. Well, not pull it back, just make sure it's like straight. So put it to the position it needs to be, so that way it's straight across. And you know, adjust it if you have to. I had to fix that one side, but yeah, so just fix it, adjust it, and then once your frontal is how you want it, you're gonna want to tie away the frontal, twist it, pin it, whatever you need to do, just get it out the way. And also, I forgot to show y'all, when you're doing your frontal, you need to pull it down further past the cap. Not too much, because you're gonna like already cut it off at the end, as you'll see, but just pull it down a little bit further. So when you start in the middle of the frontal, then when I do my first knot, I wrap it around I think I did it like 3 times, and every other knot is going to be just twice. Well, every other stitch is going to be just wrapped around like once. I mean, not twice, sorry, just once. So pull it through, and you're going to put it through the loop so that way it makes a knot. And just go straight across, taking out the pins as you pass them. Alright, so once y'all get to this part of the cap, this little like darker portion, this is where the elasticity of the band is at. So you want to make sure you're not going all the way through with the needle. I hope y'all can see. I'm just like literally, I'm kind of like pulling out that top portion of the cap and only push it through that, because if you put the needle all the way through, your cap is not going to stretch and it won't fit your head properly. So to finish off your needle, you're going to wrap it around like 3 to 4 times to make sure that it is secure, and then just cut it off. And you're just going to repeat the same exact thing on the other side. So these are the bundles we're going to be using. They're from Kairos Kollection. I will have them linked in the description box. And when you're unwrapping your bundles, make sure you're like combing it out as you're going so it's not tangled. And here I just want to show you that these bundles are not shedding. I think there was like 1 hair or something like that, but yeah, so invest in some quality bundles. Again, they will be in the description box. To start your wear, you're going to put your needle through like the top layer of the cap, again not going all the way through like what I said with the frontal. You're going to wrap the thread around the needle like 3 times and then pull it through. And I like to pin the track to the other side because it helps me sew faster, and it also makes sure that I'm going straight across when I'm sewing. And now for the rest, you're going to do it exactly how we did for the frontal. You're going to go through that top layer, wrap it around like once, and then just keep going. I kind of switch back and forth, wrapping the thread around the needle once and then just like pulling it through the loop. You just have to feel like, what do you think is going to be the most secure for that particular knot, I guess. because that's how you get a flat wig. Okay, so this is like one of my, I guess, tips that I do. So once I get like to the top and I start to like worry like, oh my god, do I have enough hair, I like to kind of like plan it out so I can make sure that I'm on the right track. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just going side to side, making sure that I have enough of the bundle left to cover the rest of the wig. And I believe this is a great thing to do, so you can like just kind of like imagine your spacing and how everything is gonna flow, because you never want to run out of hair and you still got like mad space left on the wig. Like that has happened to me before. Like I think the first wig I made, that happened to me and I had to take out everything and redo it. But this is what I was trying to tell y'all about making your needle too long. Like, just a whole mess trying to figure that out. Alright y'all, so in closing, I like to attach my bundles to my frontal. I know some people don't do that. It's kind of like just your preference, but that's just how I like to do it, so that way there's no gap between the bundles in the frontal. It just kind of like finalizes the wig for me. So to close off, you're going to do like 2 to 3 knots and cut off the extra needle. I mean the extra thread. I keep saying needle. And cut off the extra hair if there is any. So this is what it's looking like. Again, this is Kairos Kollection. Nothing is shedding. So now you're just going to cut off that extra cap that's underneath the frontal. I had already started, but I usually just start going down the middle and then just cut going along. It does not have to be like extremely close to the cap, because you don't want to cut off the thread. So just get it as close as possible on both sides. I usually wash my bundles before I make the wig, but I was too lazy this time, so that's what I just did. I went and co-washed the hair, and then after letting it air dry for a little bit, and I think I also did blow dry it, you're just gonna create your part and always hot comb like y'all saw in my customization video. Hot combing is key. Your wig will not come out as natural and as flat as you want it if you do not hot comb it. Okay, so final step is the elastic band. I will link this in the description box where I got this band from. But it was really hard to like show this to y'all. I should have put it on the canvas head. But you kind of want to just put it in a spot that you feel like will be like above the ears. I'm sorry if that don't make sense. But yeah, so just put it in like a good spot that you feel like will be about above the ears, and then just sew it along the perimeter. Don't like go too much on the side, just really do like the top of the band, and I only loop it like once, and then when closing it off I wrap it around like 2 or 3 times just to make a good knot. If y'all want a more detailed video of how to do the elastic band, you can put it in the comments and I'll definitely make a video about it. So this is the final product of our frontal wig, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Kalisha back with another banger. Oh my god. Y'all, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to say when I start the video. Like, people say like cute stuff, like they'll be like, I don't know, like people just say like cute stuff. I'm trying to find something to say, because when I start my videos, like I don't be knowing what to say. Like, I think one time I was like, hey YouTube, then I was like, hey guys, welcome back. Like, I want to find something cute to say, but back with another banger. That's not really me, so oh my god, I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in the video for real, but if I do, I hope you subscribed. I hope you already liked the video, and if you didn't, go click like, go click subscribe, turn on the notifications, follow me on Instagram at Kairos. It will be linked in the description box. Follow my business, Kairos Kollection. It will also be in the description box. I don't know why I'm so happy right now. Like, I just am in a good mood. Yeah. All right, I'm done.